Hey everyone, welcome back to VocaVibe. If you want to sound more fluent and confident in English, especially at work or university, you need to know phrasal verbs. Today, I'll teach you 7 powerful phrasal verbs that people use all the time in real life. Let's jump right in. 1. Go over. Meaning, to review or check something carefully. Example, let's go over the report before we send it to the manager. Common mistake. Some learners mix go over with go through. Both mean review, but go through suggests a more detailed check. 2. Hand in. Meaning, to submit something, like homework or a report. Example, don't forget to hand in your assignment by Friday. Tip, you can also say turn in. It means the same. 3. Carry out. Meaning, to do or perform a task or project. Example, our team will carry out the new research next month. Common mistake. Some say make a research, but it's false. Correct is do or carry out research. 4. Catch up. Catch up on or catch up with. Meaning, to reach the same level as others or finish something you missed. Example, I need to catch up on my emails after vacation. Extra tip. Catch up with someone means talk to a friend you haven't seen for a while. 5. Figure out. Meaning, to understand or solve something. Example, he finally figured out how to fix the problem. Tip. You can also say find out, but figure out is more about solving or understanding. 6. Point out. Meaning, to mention or draw attention to something. Example, he pointed out a small mistake in the report. Common mistake. Some learners forget to include to someone. He pointed out the mistake to me. 7. Take on. Meaning, to accept a responsibility or challenge. Example, she decided to take on a new project at work. Tip, native speakers often say take on too much when someone has too many tasks. Now it's your turn. Try to make one sentence for each of these phrasal verbs. You can pause the video and say them out loud or write them in the comments below. Keep practicing. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one and keep learning.